You're welcome to AppFix and In. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So right here is my Exness app. So you need to go into your Exness app like this. Go to your Exness app. On your Exness app like this, right here on the screen, you can see the three dots icon where it says details. So you need to go ahead and click on details and swipe like this to go to the settings option. So right here is your settings on Exness. Looking here at the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says login and server. So you need to go ahead and click on server in order to copy your server. Then go right here to your MetaTrader 5 app. So right here in your MetaTrader 5 app, this is what the app is going to appear like. This is actually my demo account. You can actually do this on both the real and demo accounts. So at the top right corner, you can see the plus button. Clicking on the plus button like this, you're going to see where it says find broker. So you need to click on the search button and paste the server right here. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see the Exness Technology Limited. So you need to click on this link you can see here. So looking here, you need to go ahead and input your login right here. You can get the login by going back to your Exness app and copy login. Then go back right here and paste the login right there. Then input your password. That is your password from your Exness account. After inputting the password, go ahead and click on login. You can see the login button at the bottom of the screen. So once you do that, looking here, you've been able to connect your Exness to your MetaTrader 5. So this is how simple it is to connect your Exness account to your MetaTrader 5. If you're having any problem with this, tell me on the comment section, and tell me as well if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching this video. This channel is really for you. See you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button